How to get gift cards on Sweetcoin. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can get gift cards on Sweetcoin. So without further delay, let's get started. You can open up your Sweetcoin application, and if you're on your home page, in order to get the gift card, you will check the rewards marketplace on Sweetcoin. So in the application, go to the rewards, tap on the rewards option from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Now once you're under your reward section, here new gift cards will drop daily, but they are limited and will sell out quickly. So you have to be very quick and persistent. The gift card appear at unpredictable time, usually once a day. So you have to keep refreshing regularly on this reward section on the Sweetcoin application. That can be either in the morning, afternoon or evening. So if you're lucky, you could get a gift card here, but if you're unlucky, you will have to try again. For that, you will need speed and persistence. So under this reward section, there is another option as Super Draws as well. So when the gift cards are not available directly, you could also join the Super Draws, which is a lottery style entries using your coins. So if you have enough coin, you might also win gift card or coupons this way, even if it's not guaranteed. So if you want to try out the lottery system, you could also check out the Super Draws in the Sweetcoin. Therefore, gift cards are limited in quantity and vanish fast, so you have to be usually within seconds. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.